What is the freezing point of water? 0 degrees Celsius. Photon is a basic unit of light, which is the stopping force of vehicle while applying brakes. Friction force. Which instrument measure the air pressure? Barometer. What is the minimum number of forces to keep particle in equilibrium? 2. Rocket works on principle of which law? Newton's third law. What is the value of 1 horsepower? 746 watts. What is the unit of electric power? Watt. Distance between stars measured in light years. Which instrument is used to measure relative humidity of air? Hygrometer. Hydraulic brakes works on which rule? Pascal's rule. Why Earth has its own environment? Due to force of gravity. Which instrument measures air pressure? Barometer. What is used to measure very short time intervals? Atomic clocks. Earthquake is measured using which instrument? Seismograph. On which principle fountain pen works? Capillary action. Which is the oldest form of energy known to man? Solar energy. What is the time period of pendulum? 2 seconds. Which fluid has lowest density? Petrol. Which process is used in production of soap? Saponification. Which force is strongest in nature? Nuclear force. By which action clothes dry in washing machine? Concentration force. Ball pen works on which principle? Gravitational force. Newton's first law is also known as law of roots. Which force is decaying force? Friction force. Sky appears blue due to Raleigh scattering. What is the unit of illumination? Lux. Color of stars depend on temperature. Which law states that while car stops suddenly, passenger lean forward? Law of speed. Which part of eye has highest refractive index? Lens.